Module 2, Journalism Practice, Ethics, and Media Writing for Diverse Platforms. 1. Print journalism. Print journalism remains one of the most influential branches of the media, despite the dominance of digital platforms. Newspapers, magazines, and journals still serve as trusted records of events, offering depth and permanence that fast-moving social media cannot match. Core characteristics: depth and detail, space for investigative work and background stories. Structured presentation, headlines, subheads, bylines, and organized sections. Archival value, printed material serves as a historical record. Skills for print journalists: mastering the inverted pyramid structure, placing the most important facts first. Writing clear, concise, and engaging copy. Adhering to deadlines while ensuring accuracy. 2. News and components of news. News is not just anything new. It is information that is relevant, timely, and significant to a specific audience. Core elements of news. Timeliness, the story must be recent. Proximity, local events matter more to local audiences. Prominence, involvement of famous or influential figures. Impact, how many people are affected and to what extent. Conflict, disagreements, controversies, or struggles. Human interest, emotional appeal, inspiring or touching stories. 3. Writing for newspapers, the lead and the body. The lead is the hook, the first sentence or paragraph that draws the reader in. Types of leads. Summary lead gives the who, what, when, where, why, and how immediately. Anecdotal lead starts with a short story to set the tone. Question lead opens with a thought-provoking question. The body expands on the lead, adding context, details, and background, often in descending order of importance. 4. Covering speeches, meetings, and news conferences. Journalists often cover planned events like political rallies, press briefings, and community meetings. To report effectively. Prepare beforehand, know the agenda, speakers, and background. Arrive early, secure a good position for hearing and visibility. Record key quotes accurately, direct quotations carry authority. Stay alert for unscripted moments, side comments, audience reactions, or unexpected incidents can add depth. 5. Broadcast journalism. Broadcast journalism covers radio, television, and online video reporting. The main difference from print is that the audience receives the story by listening or watching, rather than reading. Characteristics: brevity and clarity, broadcast writing is short and conversational. Audiovisual storytelling, images, sounds, and voices carry much of the message. Immediacy, live reporting and breaking news coverage. 6. Broadcast style book. A broadcast style guide ensures consistency in language usage, avoiding complex terms and jargon. Sentence length, shorter sentences aid listener comprehension. Pacing, writing to match the time available for a segment. Pronunciation guides, helping presenters handle difficult names. 7. Preparing broadcast copy. Broadcast copy should flow naturally when spoken aloud. Include phonetic spelling for tricky words. Avoid overloading with statistics, use round figures for clarity. Be written for the ear, not the eye. 8. Interviewing. Interviews are a cornerstone of journalism. Steps for effective interviewing. Research your subject thoroughly. Prepare a question list, but be flexible. Build rapport to put the interviewee at ease. Listen actively, sometimes the best follow-up questions are unplanned. Record and take notes for accuracy. 9. Online journalism. The internet has transformed journalism into a 24/7, interactive medium. Characteristics: speed, stories break online in seconds. Interactivity, readers can comment, share, and engage with content. Multimedia, combining text, photos, video, audio, and graphics. Data-driven journalism, using analytics to guide content strategy. 10. What is the net? Computer-assisted journalism. The net refers to the interconnected web of online resources and platforms where journalists publish and gather news. Computer-assisted journalism, CAJ, uses digital tools to analyze large datasets, Search archives. Map trends and patterns. Verify facts quickly. 11. Legal pitfalls on the Internet. Online journalists must be especially aware of defamation, publishing false statements that harm reputations. Copyright violations, using protected material without permission. Privacy breaches, revealing personal information without consent. Cybersecurity risks, protecting sources and sensitive information. 12. The journalist and the law. Journalists operate within a legal framework that governs press freedom, the right to publish without undue interference. Censorship limits, certain material may be restricted. National security concerns, restrictions during emergencies or conflicts. 13. Regulation and press freedom. Press regulation can be self-regulation, industry bodies set and enforce ethical codes. Government regulation, state-imposed rules. Co-regulation, a combination of both. Balancing regulation and press freedom is an ongoing debate, particularly in developing democracies. 14. Disclosure of source of information. While protecting sources is a cornerstone of journalism, some jurisdictions may compel disclosure in court orders, national security investigations, public safety emergencies. 15. Contempt of court. Journalists must avoid publishing anything that could prejudice ongoing trials, influence jurors, disrupt court proceedings. 16. The ethical journalist. An ethical journalist resists manipulation, avoids plagiarism, separates fact from opinion, corrects mistakes promptly. 17. Ethics and journalism. Journalistic ethics go beyond legality. They involve doing what is right and fair even when not legally required. 18. Codes of journalistic ethics. Common principles in codes include truthfulness, accuracy, fair play, independence, respect for human dignity. 19. Ethical issues and enforcement of ethics in Nigerian journalism. Challenges include political influence, economic pressures, ownership bias, weak enforcement mechanisms. 20. Writing for advertising and public relations. Unlike news, advertising and PR content is persuasive, designed to influence opinion or behavior. 21. Writing advert copy. Effective advert copy grabs attention immediately, highlights benefits, not just features, ends with a clear call to action. 22. Public relations writing. PR writing includes press releases, structured announcements for media use, speech writing, crafting remarks for public figures, crisis communication, managing public statements in emergencies. 23. Closing remarks for the course. By the end of this course, you should have a firm grasp of the technical and ethical foundations of journalism, an understanding of the legal and societal context in which media operates, practical skills in news writing, interviewing, broadcasting, and online journalism, the ability to create persuasive advertising and PR content.